Now that we have a blueprint for our application, let's begin creating the project files that we're going to need. I use a standard, so just listed directly in that folder. So for example, we might have page edit, page delete, page list, page new, page show, subject edit, subject delete, subject list, subject new, subject show. You can see each one is named with the resource that we're working with, either page or subject, at the beginning of it, and then an underscore followed by the action that we want to perform on it. That's a good way to keep ourselves organized and be able to have different pages that accomplish these different features of our website. That's fine for a small website, but it doesn't scale really well if we start to have a much larger website. So I want to show you another idea, which is to group them into resource folders. You can see here, I have the same thing, but instead of pages edit, I have a directory called pages and then a file called edit inside that directory. Now, inside my staff area, I'll have a folder called pages and a folder called subjects. And I'll know that everything having to do with subjects is inside that subjects folder. It really just helps you to stay organized. Notice also that I've renamed list.php to be index.php. And that's because we need an index.php file in each one of these directories anyway. So it's a convenient way to handle both of those at once. So this is what I'm going to be working with. Now we're going to come back and create all of those PHP files later. But for now, let's go ahead and create pages and subjects for the directories that we're going to be working with. So back to my desktop here, I'm going to take the staff directory, which has index.php in it already, and I'm just going to option drag that to get a copy. And I think I can do that. Just drop it right in there. Oh, no, it came out here, but that's all right. I'll move it up here. Now I've got staff.index.php, and I'm going to rename that as being subjects. And then I'll just option drag that one, create a duplicate, and I'll call that one pages. Right? You can also copy paste it, or the number of different ways you create that file. But the overall idea is we want to have pages, we want to have subjects, and we want to make sure we create that default index.php just so we get in that good habit. Okay, so now we have our basic project structure together. In the next movie, let's start working with the content of these pages.